are 10 questions you must answer on a constant basis if you want to excel over your competition in your business. Number 1, what exactly is my product or service? Number 2, who exactly is my customers? Number 3, why does my customer buy? Number 4, what does my customer consider value? Number 5, what that makes my product or service superior to that of any of my competitors? And number 6, why is it that my prospective customer does not buy? Number 7, why does my prospective customer buy from my competitors? Number 8, what value does he or she perceive in buying from my competition? Number 9, how can I offset that perception and get my competition customers to buy from me? Number 10, what one thing must my customer be to convince of to buy from me rather than from anybody else? Thank you.